Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to generate an app password in Gmail, Google Workspace. This is essential when you need to connect third-party apps or email clients to your Google Workspace account securely without using your main password. First, open google.com in your web browser. In the search bar, type Google account and click on the first official link, which should be myaccount.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google account management page. Once you're there, sign in using your Google Workspace account email and password if you haven't already. After signing in, look to the left-hand menu and click on Security. This section houses all the security settings for your account, including the tools we need to generate your app password. Now scroll down until you find the Signing In to Google section. Here's something crucial. You need to make sure two-step verification is turned on. App passwords only work when two-step verification is enabled, as it's an extra layer of security. If it's not turned on yet, click on two-step verification and follow the setup instructions, then return to the security page. Once two-step verification is active, look at the top of your screen where you'll see a search bar. Type in app password and click on the result that appears. This will take you directly to the app password generator, saving you time from scrolling through menus. On this page, you'll see an option labeled Select App. Click on it and choose the specific app you need the password for from the drop-down menu. If your app isn't listed, simply select Other Custom Name and type in a name you'll remember, like Outlook or Mail Client. This helps you keep track of which password belongs to which application. Next, click Generate to create your app password. Within seconds, a 16-character password will appear on your screen. This password is unique to the app you specified, so copy it immediately and store it somewhere safe. You won't be able to see it again once you close this window. Now head over to the app or device where you want to use your Gmail account. When prompted for a password, paste this 16-character app password instead of your regular Google password. This allows the app to access your Gmail securely without compromising your main account credentials. If you need to set up another app or device later, simply return to your Google account page and repeat these steps to generate a new app password. Remember, each app password only works for the specific app and device you created it for, so you'll need to generate separate passwords for different applications. Thanks for watching.